Hello everyone, I am Vinay. My roll number is 22951A67J8. I am from CHDC section. Today I am going to display my PPT of topic C programming. So let's get started. So the PPT is about how to maximize your savings, like how to calculate total expenses with quantity discounts. It is a program to calculate total expenses with quantity discounts. Let's see how we can solve this problem. So, briefly describing about the PPT, the topic explains that how to maximize your savings with bulk purchases, like 10% discount on purchases over 1000 rupees. Calculating total expenses, input quantity and price per item, examples of savings, etc. Let's see how can we calculate these expenses. And we're going to see how to start saving today. Maximize your savings with bulk purchases. It describes the bulk purchasing is the act of buying a large quantity of goods at once. This strategy can help you save money in the long run, especially when discounts are offered for larger purchases. By taking advantage of bulk purchasing, you can reduce your overall expenses and increase your savings. It is the one you save money in the long run, especially when the discounts are offered. And you can reduce your expenses and hence thereby increase the savings. Whether you are a business owner or an individual customer, this approach can help you get more value for your money. Hence, it is an act of buying a large quantity of goods at once. Hence, we'll get into it so briefly. Firstly, understanding the discount. So it describes to qualify for a quantity discount, you must purchase a minimum amount of an item. For example, a store may offer a 10% discount if you purchase more than 1000 units of a product. If you purchase less than 1000 units, you will definitely not receive the discount. Hence, we have to purchase above 1000 units to get a discount of 10%. Calculating the discount is straightforward. Simply multiply the quantity purchased by price unit and then apply the discount percentage. Hence, we can see it so easy. For example, if your purchase is 1500 units at 1 rupee per unit and you receive a 10% discount, obviously the calculation would be 1500 into 1 into 1.0.1, which is rupees 150 are the total discount. Therefore, your total cost would be 1350. Hence, we can see that 150 is deducted from the amount of units. Hence, it is called as a discount amount. Next, to maximize your savings with quantity discounts. As we are the consumers, we all want to save money whenever possible. That's so correct. The one way to do this is by taking advantages of quantity discounts. Quantity discounts may help in saving our money up to a great extent. These are discounts that are offered when you purchase a certain quantity of an item. The more you buy, the higher the discount. Quantity discounts can benefit both individuals and businesses. For individuals, means saving money on everyday purchase like groceries or household items. For business, it means reducing costs on inventory, supplies, and etc. In this presentation, we'll explore how quantity discounts work and how can you maximize your savings. Hence, let's get into the quantity discounts and see how can we maximize our savings. Hence, we look forward for the discounts as we are given that 10% discount on purchases over 1000 rupees. When you purchase over 1000 items or rupees, you are eligible for a 10% discount on your total expenses. This means that if you buy more, you save more. Obviously, it's correct. The discount is great incentive for customers to buy in bulk or stock up on the favorite products. Hence, we get a maximum saving from these discounts, which can be helpful to us. It also benefits in businesses by encouraging customers to spend more and increase their revenue. So it helps us in getting to save more money. Now let's see about calculating total expenses. Calculating total expenses when a quantity of discount is applied requires a simple formula. Let's see how it goes on. Firstly, multiply the quantity purchased by the price per unit to get the total cost before the discount. Hence, we usually do this. Then apply the discount percentage to that total to get the final cost, which is selling price. For example, if you purchase 2000 units at 2 rupees per unit, you receive a 10% discount. Then the calculation would be like 2000 into $2, which 2 rupees equal to 4000. Then 4000 into discount amount as 0.10 as 10% discount, it would be 400 rupees. Therefore, deducting the 400 from the total cost price, you get the discount that is 3600 units. Hence, the discount is applied in this way. When we are speaking, our body language. Now we'll look forward and maximize your savings. After these discounts are applied, we need to look forward for maximizing our savings to be helpful in our future. To maximize your savings with the quantity discounts, there are several strategies you can use. One is to buy in bulk. The more you buy, the higher the discount. So, purchasing a large quantity can result in significant savings. Hence, that is so true. Another strategy is to time your purchases. Many stores offer discounts during certain times of the year or specific days of the week. By waiting for these sales, you can finally take advantage of even deeper discounts, which can be really helpful to us. Finally, it's important to compare prices between different stores to ensure that you are getting the best deal. Hence, by these steps, you can maximize your savings, which can help you in a great extent. Now we'll look into the common mistakes to avoid while purchasing. So, while quantity discounts can be a great way to save money, there are also common mistakes to avoid. Those are one is buying more than you need. While purchasing in bulk can be cost effective, but it's important to not only buy what you will use. Otherwise, you may end up wasting money on items that you go unused. That's so true. Another mistake is not factoring in other costs. For example, if you purchase a large quantity of perishable items, you may end up throwing away some of the items before you can use them. That's totally the waste of the product purchased. This can negate any savings from the quantity discount. Hence, it is our duty to consider all costs before making a purchase and purchasing a limited amount of the products that we want. So here the code goes on. As shown in the above picture, we first prompt the user to enter the quantity and price per item. Then we calculate the total expenses by multiplying the quantity by price per item. If the quantity is more than 1000, we apply a 10% discount by subtracting it from the total expenses. We finally display the total expenses to the user. Please note that this program assumes that the quantity and price per item are valid inputs, positive numbers, it can't be negative. So you can add additional input validation if required. Hence you can look into the code and which look into the code which prints the total discount amount and the total expenses which is discount deducted from the quantity of items. Hence, to conclude this session, in conclusion, quantity discounts can be a valuable tool for saving money on purchases. By understanding how they work and using the strategies like buying in bulk and timing your purchases, you can maximize your savings. However, it's important to avoid common mistakes like buying more than you need or not factoring in other costs or not comparing the other sellers, etc. You can save the money to a great extent. Hope we find this presentation informative and helpful in showing you how to take advantages of quantity discounts. And remember, by being strategic and careful in your purchasing decisions, you can save money and get most of your budget. And thank you for letting me to describe a code to deduct the discounts from the purchased units. Thank you. So finally, I conclude this session giving the importance of the discounts and the code to be run to get the discounts and the total amount to be paid after deducting the discounts overall. So hence we will wind up the session.